we're starting again. Good morning, everybody. So we're doing a virtual assembly. We are live on Facebook. We are also recording, so I'll put it on YouTube later, but boys and girls are in their classrooms watching us through Teams, so you might be able to hear them, mums and dads. So let's start with our virtual assembly. I've got 3 lots of technology, so if I look frazzled, it's because I'm worried about you all. I'd like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land and pay my respects to the elders, both past and present, and future, for they hold the memories, the traditions, the culture and hopes of Indigenous Australia. We're not going to do the national anthem today. I thought that would be a bit messy with the delays, but we're going to get straight in to some messages and then give out certificates, and we've got lots of rewards to give out today for boys and girls. So our second attempt at virtual assembly, I've got school captains with me. Say good morning, captains.
Good morning.
And while we aren't able to do assemblies all together, I thought this was a good way for us to stay in touch with the community so you can see what wonderful things your children have been achieving. Some quick notices to start with. Mrs. Bridge is sick today, but we're really lucky we've got Mrs. Knight with Year 3. She's like a permanent member of staff, nearly here all the time. We have got a P&C meeting this afternoon. We want to start by 3:30 and we're meeting at the Brightview Tavern. So if you'd like to be a member of our P&C and come along to a meeting, we'll be there from 3:15 and starting at 3:30. I talked last week about winter uniform, and it's great to see so many boys and girls in the correct winter uniform. I put some posts on Class Dojo about it that you can refer to last week, but also the uniform shop has their bottom tracky pants and jazz pants on sale. They're half price. So if you'd like to get anything from the winter uniform, I know we've got jackets in stock too. Just give Annie a call or come in on Monday and Wednesday mornings at 8:15. She's there. So prep pickup in the afternoon has been going so well. We've had it down to 7 minutes last week. It was fantastic. So we want to push it back this week and start prep pickup at 2:35. So we'll push it back for 5 minutes, but I will put a message on Class Dojo this morning so prep pickup people know that. But thank you very much for your support and cooperation with that. And thank you to the other parents in the car park. It's been fantastic to see that at pickup time there's a little bit more room in the car park, but also that you're all waiting outside. So I appreciate that effort. Thank you. And the other thing I wanted to confirm was that we have a new date for school photos on the 20th of August, so a little while to go. It is a Thursday, so we're hoping that for a change we can all be in our sports house uniforms for school photos this year. I'd like to also quickly welcome, we've got 5 new families that have joined our school over the last few weeks this term, so I hope you're settling into life at Glenelg Grove and loving it as much as we do. All right, I'm going to hand over to Dylan. He's going to call out our academic certificates for last week.
Presented to Kellen Stone, Prep A, for showing great confidence and answering questions during on the mat and story time. Great work, Kellen. Keep it up, Miss Pratt. Kailani, Class Prep B, for beautiful letter formation in handwriting lessons. Great recall. Vanessa Beckett, Class Year 1, for always giving new concepts 110%. Keep up the amazing work, Vanessa. Tyler Chandler, Class Year 2, for showing great enthusiasm and wonderful achievements during maths. This week, Tyler built some great knowledge of quarter to and quarter past time. Brock Geppert, Class 3, his participation during our persuasive unit in English. Well done. Noah Stewart, Class Year 4, for being actively engaged in learning experiences and constantly displaying a positive attitude. Georgia Costello, Class 5A, participating more in classroom discussions. Keep it up. Caden Spell, Class Year 6, for demonstrating demonstrating a fantastic growth mindset in all your activities. Well done.
Excellent. Well done, all those boys and girls. Let's give them all a big round of applause. Yay. All right, Brandy, have you got a big voice?
Yeah.
Brandy's going to do our behaviour certificates, everybody.
Presented to Charlie Drummond, Class Prep A, for making great improvements in your on-the-mat engagement. Keep up the terrific focus, Charlie. Presented to Cooper Neal, Class Prep B, for consistent focus on your task behaviour during initial lessons. Keep it up, Cooper. Presented to Bradley Gould, Class Year 1, for making fabulous choices in both the classroom and playground. Keep up the fabulous effort. Presented to Cooper Nottage, Class Year 2, for his participation and concentration during math this week. Keep up the great work, Cooper. Presented to Cooper Chambers, for setting back into classroom routines with a positive attitude. Fantastic. Presented to Elijah Lavia, Class 4, for always demonstrating class expectations to a very high standard. Well done, Elijah. Presented to Kai Murphy, Class 5A, for having a positive attitude towards his learning this week. Great work. Keep it up. Presented to Chelsea Smid, Class 6, for demonstrating amazing GGSS behaviour inside and outside the classroom. You are a wonderful addition to Year 6.
Yay. All right, give them a round of applause. Can see all those people standing up in their classrooms. So thank you, students, for acknowledging them. Good work. Hold up those certificates, guys. So we will send them out to classrooms so you can have a picture with your certificate and your teacher can put it on Class Dojo. All right, next I have a plethora, which means a lot, of B ribbons. Boys and girls that engaged in remote learning that got Class Dojo points. So you also, we've tallied up B ribbons. Mrs. Lyon has told me that there's still some more from last term that she will send to classrooms as well. All right, so let's start with 100 ribbons. Your teachers should have your ribbons, so when I call your name, you can come and get your ribbon from your teacher, boys and girls. 100 ribbons from Year 1, Bradley, James, Nathan. From Year 2, Jackson B, Dante, Mudder, Whitney, Declan, Cooper, Lillian, Devon, Jessie Lee. From Year 3, Jamie, Nicholas, William, Angus, Ben, Philip. From Year 4, Aiden V for Victory, Noah, Abby, sorry, I've gone to Year 5, Abby, Reese and Junior. They're all our 100B people. Give them a clap. Yay. All right, these are boys and girls on 200 ribbons. Have a seat, 100 people. All right, these are 200 ribbons. In Year 1, Abby, Oliver, Kaysen, Indy, Phoebe, Vanessa, Bradley and Riley. Haven't got anyone on 200 in Year 2, but in Year 3 is Philip. In Year 4 is Dom, Taylor, Owen. In Year 5, Seth, Crystal, Kelly, Hayley, Marison, Taylor, Abby, Zali, Georgia, Lacey, Summer, Bryden, Michaela, May and Reese. Well done, 200. All right, here we go with 300 ribbons. This is where my preppies are all coming in. All right, preppies. In Prep A, Joey, Lily and Georgia. In Prep B, James, Zara Ann, Idina, Cooper, Kalani and Sebastian. In Year 1, Mason, Michaela and William. In Year 4, Riley with a D and Emmett. And in Year 5, so many people. I think this is all from all their fabulous remote learning. Olivia, Madison, Allegra, Michaela, Grace, Zali, Cody, Summer, Lacey and May. Well done. Give those 300 people a big clap. All right, we're up to 400. Prep A, these people have 400 Bs. Amazing. Carson and Ella. In Prep, that was Prep A. In Prep B, Marley and Aubrey. In Year 5, Allegra, Olivia and Kira. Give them a round of applause, 400 Bs. And I'm giving out some 500 B badges this morning. In Prep B, Alexi, Stella and Lincoln all have a 500 B badge. Good work, Prep B. Give them a round of applause. That's fantastic. They're all of our B badges. Boys and girls are also going to be bringing home some 100-word ribbons which have gone out to classrooms. So I'd like to acknowledge those boys and girls in Prep Year 1 and Year 2 that have earned ribbons. I've got stacks of them. I won't call you all out, but your teachers will give you your 100-word ribbons to take home. Actually, it's a lot of the same name. So Rogan, Archie, Mia, Laura, Hayden, Phoebe, Bradley, Mason, Riley, Nathan. And then I've got James has got some 200 ribbons. So has Wiley and Oliver. So those boys and girls all have 100, 200 and 300 magic word ribbons. Well done. Give them a round of applause. So our behaviour focus for the week, boys and girls. I feel like all I ever do is talk about toilets. Does it feel like that to you sometimes?
Every week.
Every week. So, but it is our behaviour focus for the week. I'll find the YouTube clip and put it up on Facebook so the mums and dads don't get to miss my fabulous YouTube video for toilets. But this week we're looking at being responsible in the toilets, and it is something we've had to talk about a lot. We have got some boys that like to spill the soap everywhere in the toilets when they use it. But this week it's being responsible, using the toilets at the right time. And leaving them clean and tidy. So let's see if we could go for 5 whole days without me having to talk about soap in the toilets. And I will put the video up for you. See, it's so boring. Brandy's yawning. She's so sick of me talking about toilets. She's getting tired. All right, Scooter Club. So I will put this up for everybody to have a look at as the week goes on. But today, these are boys and girls that have had 100% attendance and no behaviour incidents. You get to do Scooter Club at second break. Today's Scooter Club people from Prep is Bentley. In Year 1 is Abigail. Year 2, Huxley. Year 3, Cooper. Year 4, Silas. Year 5, Taylor. And Year 6 is Brandy on Scooter Club. So well done, but I will put this out so you know when you're on Scooter Club this week. But we have got lots of boys and girls doing really well at that. Year 2 won the Bell song this week, so we'll get that up and running. Yay! Can you hear them cheering? 93.6%. Well done, Year 2. Excellent effort. So much nicer than seeing the 13% that I was seeing when I was putting data in during remote learning. So well done. I don't know if they know, but they picked a Jonas Brothers song. What's the new Jonas Brothers song? Something about a man. No? You don't know? I can't remember either. But anyway, keep your ear out for our Bell song this week. The last thing I want to hand out is my principal certificate. So hard every week to pick someone because there are so many fabulous Glenelg Grove stars that I think I could give this to. But this week, the Principal Award for a great Glenelg Grove student goes to Miss Georgia in Prep. Well done, Georgia. So I'll come over and give that to you as well. Give her a great big round of applause. Excellent. Well, I'd love to say, teachers, have you got any more messages? But
Oh, student council meeting.
Oh, there is. Yes. Thank you, Dylan's just reminded me we've got a student council meeting.
Tuesday first break.
Tuesday first break. Is that right, Mrs. Rule?
Or is it Wednesday?
It's Tuesday. Mrs. Rule, give me a thumbs up. Tuesday first break. Bring their lunch or after eating time.
No, bring their lunch up to my classroom.
Okay, so bring your lunch up to Mrs. Rule if you are a class captain, sports captain, school captain, vice captain. Mrs. Rule wants to come up with some fundraising stuff. I hope I get to see lots of you this afternoon at Brightview Tavern for P&C meeting. Mrs. Cubis is excited. I can see it on her face right now. I did put an invite out through Facebook. Thank you to all the mums that have commented on our Facebook feed this morning. I've got 20 viewers, but I can see lots of parents commenting well done to their students. So it's not normal, I know, but it's a nice way to connect with you all. And I put a picture on Facebook. I did show you our camera setup so you can see what a camera studio we've got going on. But lovely to see all the boys and girls tuning in. That team's worked. And have a great day. I'll see you all after lunch, but thanks to all the parents that have tuned in. You have a great day too. Bye.